Hey friends! If you want to improve your English skills and ace those upcoming exams, this is the session for you. Whether it's sentence formation, error detection, or writing an impressive essay, today's topic will help you master it all in no time. So, share this session with your friends and let us dive into today's concept, mastering the use of could in English. Introduction: this isn't just another English lesson. We're embarking on a 10-day journey, tackling 10 essential concepts that will make you confident enough to never have to open your grammar books again. Today, we're exploring could, what it is, where it came from, and how to use it effectively. Concept explanation. So, what exactly is could? It's part of the verb family, specifically a modal verb that helps express ability, possibility, and polite requests. Think of could as a bridge to show what you were able to do in the past or what you might be able to do now. Usage 1. Past ability. Imagine talking about things you could do as a child. For example, when I was 5, I could swim very well. This use of could highlights past abilities that are no longer the same today. Example sentences. I could solve complex puzzles when I was younger. They could play the piano fluently when they were in their teens. Usage 2. Polite requests need to sound more formal when asking for something. Could is your go-to. Instead of saying, "Can you pass the salt?" use, "Could you pass the salt, please?" It shows respect and politeness in formal situations. Example sentences. Could I borrow your book? Could you kindly help me with this task? Usage 3. Possibility and uncertainty. When you're not completely sure but want to express that something is possible, could comes to the rescue. For instance, it could rain today shows uncertainty but hints that there's a chance of rain. Example sentences. We could go to the park later if the weather improves. She could arrive any moment now. Engagement moment. Do you have questions about when to use could versus can? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect. Note down examples from your life, and try forming sentences using could in different contexts. Conclusion: and that's how we use could to express past abilities, polite requests, and possibilities. Stay tuned for more lessons in our 10-day series, where we unravel these concepts step by step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning with us. This revised script is aimed at making the concept of could engaging and informative while retaining a clear structure for teaching.